Hello! This is our second day here in Bohol. Say hi, guys! Hi, guys! Joshua! Hello! Second day! Turn left to Hinagdanan Cave. Swimming time 8 AM to 4:30. Tapos ito yung open everyday Monday to Sunday 8 to 5. May parking sila dito. May parking. Tapos may mga souvenir shops. Yan. No, we're not gonna swim. Because you don't want, you said.
What are we gonna do?
We're just gonna look. Yan, so many tindahan. We're gonna eat.
Are we gonna go on a boat?
No, not in a boat. Hindi ka magugutom kasi dito sa Hinagdanan Cave, parang magpa-food trip ka dito. Ayan. That's Hinagdanan Cave. And we paid for 150 because Moira's free. Ayan. Hinagdanan Cave.
That money could be assisted.
In Dawis, Bohol. Good morning po. Daddy, palista ng mga names. Oh, look, oh. It's not scary, look. Medyo narrow ang daanan. Oh, your head down.
Olo.
Hold on to the rail.
Swimming. Huwag ka malikod dyan early in the morning.
Daddy, pahawak mo siya sa rail kasi madulas.
Okay, dito muna tayo, ma'am. Dito muna.
Dapat.
Pero ma'am, pangalan muna natin sila, sir. Sige, sir. Huwag muna kayo.
The bats are flying. Ito yung entrance kung saan magbabayad. Ayan yung map. So we're going first to Artisan Village as suggested by the receptionist.
Explain what they're doing. Binigyan silang cake and something. Moy. Careful yes. Moy, can you explain what are they doing? No. Binigyan silang cake and something. Seriously. Careful yes. Binigyan silang cake and something.
Oh,
come
on. Give me a break. See, you did not do it. It has to be 4.
I think
Go.
Okay.
Galing.
Go. I can't see the ano. That's the basket weaving area. And this is the clay shed. Yan, may mga workshop na ginagawa dyan. If ever na magbayad ka ng $380 per head. Pwede naman na hindi lahat kayo. For example, gusto mo yung anak mo lang, ganon. And this one, I don't know what this is, but this is a house. Painting siguro to. Ah, pandayan. Yan, pandayan. So, gagawa sila ng mga ewan ko, mga furniture. Ayan. Geese! Those are geese! Huh? We can go there.
Are they dead?
Why aren't you going here? Let's go, Moy!
Mom, there's something in the grass.
I see Yeshua.
Flowers. There's flowers in the grass.
Oh, slowly, slowly. Slowly.
Oh, there's a pond.
Moira, can I order fish? She doesn't want the fish to be killed. So we're not going to order fish. Live seafood. Horseback riding is free. Oh no, a carabao. It looks so scary. Oh my god, it looks scary.
Actually, small pa to eh.
Hi.
You remember the
Hi.
camera before? It's bigger than
It's so big.
Laki na sa ko.
Parang nag-ano yon, nag-steroid.
You can feed them. Enough for just.
Yan ako do. The basket.
Go, go, go.
I want to.
African spurred toys. They're tortoise. Oh, the lifespan is 80 to 150 years.
59.
Yeshua is good in feeding.
Oh no.
Yeshua, bad pala.
Ayan na.
Pasok mo sa loob.
Pasok mo.
Put it
Don't be
inside.
scared. Let's look. Eating mine. Look here. Oh, Auntie!
Oh
Wait.
Don't eat that.
Oh, see, this one, umay ang takaw.
Takaw.
It's eating the whole thing.
Full na to. Mata.
Ito, binibidyoan ko nga. Ano sabi niya?
Ito strong.
It's so strong. Oh my God. Parang, ay! Moira!
The one? Sige.
Oh.
The one.
Hello, Moira. It's hungry, the other one.
Oh, they want to feed on Moira's ano.
Hi, more. The teeny one. Look at what is this?
Yeah. Wait. Put it.
Oh, you're sure? No, you're scared.
I don't want a lot.
Like this one. Side mo na side.
That's what
I don't like the eyes. The eyes.
I pulled it from me.
The eyes are creepy. Careful mo, it might bite you.
The eyes are nice.
The eyes are creepy.
More.
Oh, you just dropped. You will get more. You have more. Oh, I don't.
Moy, just throw it in the cage.
No.
Yes.
That's not feeding. That's like just throwing.
Yeah, you feed it.
Moy, oo. Behind you, Moy.
Yeah, mommy, give me another
They should be.
one.
Give me
They should
another.
be.
You should give me.
They should become independent. You should throw it in the cage.
Ay!
Give me more. Give me more.
The goats should become independent. They should eat by
You
themselves.
should give me more.
You have your own.
Kakain ka na. Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag hyper. Huwag hyper. Chill lang, chill. Aba, ayaw din ang step. Uy! Ano ko sa iyo?
Dasal pa.
Ikaw talaga.
Hala! Nakatingin siya! Saan? Oh.
You're not allowed to touch it, Moy.
Ay, wag daw. Ay, tayo. Maybe they will, they will chase us.
Anong poop? Hindi yan poop. Coconut yan.
Moira, hindi yan poop. Coconut yan.
Over there.
Ah, there. Where? Ayun. Uy.
One of the things.
Sheep pala yung nagme.
Oh, little strong also. Here.
Normal eyes. Okay.
Ano na pala pagkain nila?
No.
Ang tawag dito sir?
Malunggay.
Tapos sa dahon.
Sir, pwede
Ano yan? Goat. Oh. Goat ba yan?
Moira.
Don't stay me. Hello. Scooter mo. Parang prinsipe ah. Mira, they will have...
Dasal pa.
The chicken is living with the pig. She might not eat pork anymore.
Don't tell her it's pork then.
Uy, piglets.
Not yet ripe.
Oh,
Not yet grown, ripe. Ano, fruit?
yan masarap na.
Oo. That's more expensive actually.
Talaga?
Conchinillo.
Wow.
Because they're more tasty. They're tastier. Big Mama.
Oh, Auntie, there's a baby.
Wow. Dang, look at the balls.
Moira, it's a big pig. The pigs here are black.
There's some pink over there.
Oo. Vegetable garden. Wow, sweet basil. Ay, wish ko lang. Gusto ko ng ganito. Sweet basil. No picking of last. Thai basil. Bell pepper.
Ala!
Oh my God, they're flocking.
Pasok ka, pasok ka.
Go, Moy. Don't move. Don't move. No. Come.
Do they eat persons?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Come to me!
Dad, I'm scared. Oh shit! 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 Daddy!
Go away!
Oy, that's easy. Why you not?
Bakit ako lang?
Agay!
Until they finish.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Saan?
Wala ka, Dad! Dad!
Oh, they like your hand.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Ay, natuto na lang sila.
Oh my God!
Oh, Mom, they're fighting.
Moira! Moira, no! Moira, no! No, Moy! I already have many! Moira! Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Come to me, birds! Come to me.
Dad!
Give me some.
Ikaw kaya, wait lang.
Give me.
Picture. Dito na ba ipalap?
Somebody! Ayaw somebody.
Taas mo kamay, mami. Yun na, yun na. Yes, no, 5. Ay, they moved to Moira. They're not loyal.
Wala lang nag-aaway!
I wanna go to mom.
Daddy! Gutom nga sila, Dad! Gutom! Aray ko, Dad! Wala nag-aaway sila!
Nag-aaway talaga?
Ayan, o! Tingnan mo! Ayan, o! Nag-aaway sila! Bilisan mo, baka makawala. Ay, makatingin na siya, oh.
Habang na.
Konti lang, Moy. Not too much. I'm scared.
Pogi.
Hold it tightly. They're going to take it from me.
Ay, kawawa naman to.
They're inside the house. Look.
No, can't have that.
It's inside the house.
Oh.
Coconut.
Guys, anong fruit to? Hindi yung coconut.
Coconut, you know, miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit is a coconut.
It's coconut, I'm pretty sure. Diba? Coconut to.
Miracle fruit? This is the first time I heard of the miracle fruit.
Bye. Ayan po.
Hi everyone! So tapos na tayo sa Bohol South Farm. Ay, ang saya-saya. It was so much fun. Although nakakapagod, kailangan magbaon kayo ng damit, ng extra na damit. And magbaon kayo ng tubig. Ayan, magbaon kayo ng mahabang pasensya. Kasi mahabang lakarin. At yung mga bata naman, super na nag-enjoy sila. Ayan, guys, did you enjoy in South Farm? With the bunnies, with the guinea pig, with the bird, with the ducks. Pero pagod, sobrang dami namin pawis. Kaya dapat, buti na lang may kotse, may baon kaming mga konting damit, ganyan. So ayun lang, masaya. Our next stop right now is Bee Farm. Ayun na, ito na yung papuntang Bee Farm. Ang Bee Farm ay nasa Dawis lang din, near our accommodation. Ayan, liliko tayo kakanan. Ito na yung Bee Farm. Here we go. Ito siya.
Tama?
Yes.
1.1.
So now we are in Bee Farm. Oh, tara, tara. Let's go faster. Birds. There are also birds. Ah. Saan? Oo, to.
Dito ba?
Kaya mo na, dito na tayo. Serious? Wow. Oh, coconut processing area.
Hi, good afternoon.
Ay, hello.
So in that area po, they make the milk po. So they make the coconut seeds. It was 1,000 to 1,005 coconut milk po. So they collect it din po sa local po. So,
From their, they don't have their own farm from the local. They buy it from the local. Or they have your own.
they have their own po, but since it was 1,000 to 1,005 coconuts a day po, so they collected it from local din po. From the farm.
And then, preparation. Honey. Real honey from the bees.
Dito po, yung preparation area for the ice cream po. So they're the one who prepare yung mga tubs for the ice cream. The fruits and
Okay.
veggies to blend po yung honey and their coconut milk.
Okay. Malunggay! Seriously?
It's actually our best seller.
Talaga? Malunggay. Yes, malunggay. The one that's the, you know, the South Farm? That vegetable that they're eating, the sheep. Ooh, Moira, look!
So in this area is their mixing area po. They mix everything po, all of the ingredients, and after just 15 minutes po, it will become an ice cream po. So they will transfer
15 minutes lang.
Yes po. Mga tubs po, and after that, they will proceed to their blast freezing po for negative 30 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes po after po nung sa finished product na.
How much is ang ano doon? Nandun naman, no? May price. It's also Christmas in Bohol Bee Farm. This is an art gallery. Can you paint something like that, Moy? Uy, grabe siya mukha pa.
Parang yung baby.
Yeah. Slowly. Tita said slippery there.
This one to mom.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Moy, don't go first.
Yeah. We can rest. We can rest from being sweaty.
Welcome, boys.
In peace.
Ay, doon na tayong papuntang dagat. Doon, yung dagat.
Tomboy, oh. Pinsan ni Tomboy.
Massage area.
Uy, hilot, Dad.
You go there.
You go there.
Bubuli meron.
Sabi ni James, si Lomboy, kapatid ni Tomboy. Go.
Can I go?
Yeah. Yashua first.
Wait.
Yashua first.
Then Daddy will fall and then you should follow me back.
Hold on to the rails, Moy.
Saan?
Ayun no. The middle.
Hindi
Can you see it?
Hindi.
Where?
Ano, Crab? Crab, oh.
Hmm.
Walking.
Let's see.
Yun, sa rocks.
Look at this. You have to remove the packaging and then dip the tablea pops into the hot water, then stir using the popsicle stick and enjoy. Ice cream. Ano po, isang malunggay
Malunggay, ano pa ma'am?
at saka isang dragon fruit.
Kulay na cone po.
Yes. Yung charcoal, ang charcoal.
Salted honey.
Salted honey sa'yo.
See you in part 3 for the continuation of adventure.